The American Truck Graphics Tailgate Panel Decal in silver is available for any 15 to 17 F150 owner who wants an easy way to enhance and accent the body lines of your tailgate with an eye-catching silver vinyl. This vinyl is designed to fit around the Ford Ovo logo, and the only piece that will be removed is the F150 emblem on the left-hand side. Once applied, this decal will add more depth and contrast, and it will make your truck's tailgate closely resemble the Platinum Edition rear end. Speaking of your tailgate, if it's starting to collect scratches and nicks, then this decal is an affordable cover-up compared to a respray. This is a peel and stick vinyl that is made to be wrinkle-free for an easy installation. I'm going to be giving this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, with an install time of 30 minutes. American Truck Graphics uses high-quality 4mm vinyl when cutting these decals, which is around double the thickness of some of the other cheaper brands you might find elsewhere. The decal has been clear-coated for additional protection. It's expected to last at least 8 years outdoors, including in rain and snow. These decals aren't just for a show truck. They'll still look good after off-road abuse. They've also been designed to be cleaned just like the rest of your truck, so you don't have to worry about them peeling off during a weekend wash. We make these decals in-house at American Truck Graphics. This allows us to measure and test fit the graphics on our own trucks to make sure they'll fit your truck's lines perfectly. To make install as easy as possible, American Trucks builds an air release technology into the vinyl. This means you'll be able to squeeze out any bubbles that form underneath the vinyl for a wrinkle-free finish. I've seen customers in our comments section saying people have been asking if they've purchased a special edition F150 because of these decals. So these are a cool and simple way to make your truck stand out from all the others. This tailgate decal is going to run you just south of $50, which is a good value for the materials included, especially compared to a painted on accents or decals applied from the factory that can cost you a few $100s or more, or if you were to go with a full respray of your truck's tailgate. This is a peel and stick application, so I'll be giving it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expected to take you about 30 minutes to complete. The only tools you'll need are a mixture of soap and water, a squeegee, and some type of string. First step is taking off your F150 logo in the corner. Easiest way would be to use some dental floss or other string and run it along the back of this emblem until it comes free. You're going to then clean the application area of any dirt, dust, and oil. Now wet the back of the vinyl with the same water mixture and apply it to the truck, making sure everything is lined up correctly. Then while it is drying, use your squeegee and smooth out any air bubbles that may appear. After it is dry, you're done. That's my review and install of American Truck Graphics Silver Tailgate Decal. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.